So I am a stranger to myself. And by this I learn how to be a stranger for the other, for you. Who am I to you? And what do I need to become and develop for you to become who you are becoming?
What time and place were we born in? And what part of me is a result of that and what part of me maybe isn't? What hereditary stream was I born into and what part of myself is to do with that and what part isn't? What have I done and what have I not done in my life and what part of me is related to that? But most important, I think, we need to develop the faculty to be quiet and pause so that the self can actually speak to me.
How do we relate to nature in contemporary times? Is it more like a postcard or even a post online to look at? Is it the place you turn to when you want to get fit or feel peaceful? Is it like a concept that equals crisis? As a lot of us modern people who express a longing to belong, and turning to nature is often part of this search. So which ways that truly connect us to nature are there for us to remember?
My question is, what happens when we work? What do we awake? And for me, it's always one thing being inside, thinking, and another thing working, thinking. Because you think in another way. And you also see how this small spot that we have behind us is like 3.5 hectares, and it's so much different going on. Full of insects and birds and plants and everything.
I'd like to touch on our relationship to food, and in that context our relationship to nature, or how can we experience our relationship to nature through food. What is food? What do we associate with food? What kind of relationship do we live? What informs our relationship to food?